It's really exciting to think that I'm going to be graduating soon, I'm going to be out in the work field soon, but at the same time it's terrifying because you've been in school for so long and you've worked so hard. All the work that you put into this comes down to this day. So you've earned your right to walk across the stage.
That was the proudest moment of my life, and later that day when we walked out, my son indicated that, I saw you, Daddy, with the graduation hat. And in my heart also I was like, yeah, that's what I want to teach him and that's what I want him to be.
I had never walked this stage before. I went to a very small high school. I think there was 10 people in my graduating class. So to be with thousands of people graduating from such an amazing school, I was proud and I was excited.
So when I graduated, I remember just being exhilarated that I put myself as an adult student through a 2-year course that of course many people thought I was crazy doing. So I went from homeless to supporting myself through 2 years of SAIT to graduating with top marks.
It was just a great experience because nobody, including myself, ever thought I would do something like that. And I did it. And man, I tell you, it just opened the doors for me.
Okay, my name is Ted Wheel, and I graduated from here in 1949. Well, when I left here, as far as I'm concerned, I've never left here. I learned things here that you can't learn on the job, that are required nevertheless to do the job, at least the way I want to do the job. Well, I've never stopped learning.
Taking this program at SAIT meant a lot to me because I wasn't able to progress in my career without post-secondary education.
I fully believe I was born a business person, but my education at SAIT helped me to make myself more of a professional in the real world.
What I think I really got from SAIT was that I was able to be an independent learner, and through that I was able to be confident in any type of role I found myself in.
Nobody learns a trade in a vacuum. You come here and you learn the proper ways of doing things. That was wonderful for me. So many things that I've learned that keep me going.
Journeys start and end at different times in people's lives, but they never stop. Feel really proud about what you've accomplished today, but know that there's still going to be a lot of work moving forward. I think that that's the key to success, is to never stop and always keep your foot a little bit on the pedal.
The key word here today is passion. I mean, it's what drives so much.
We're so lucky to have found our passion at such a young age, and we're very fortunate to have been recognized internationally for that now, and it all started here at SAIT.
You can accomplish in your career whatever you choose to do.
If you've got passion in what you do,
doors open that you never even dreamed possible.
Get out there, take on new challenges.
To believe in yourself. Say, you know what, I know I can do this.
If you don't take a chance, you'll never know.
So it's okay to be different, especially in the world of business. Why would I want to push myself to be the same individual as everybody else when I would rather be myself?
The best advice I ever had is that you could make something out of nothing, and that was from my father. When I came to Canada, I couldn't speak English, and then as soon as I came to SAIT, I realized that I could do more, and all it takes is just the hard work.
A great piece of advice that I have received is don't be afraid to ask questions. I think too often grads come out thinking they have all the answers, and it's almost a sign of weakness if I have to ask a question. You gotta be willing to ask questions.
Biggest piece of advice I can give graduates is to just enjoy it.
I pinch myself every day. I can't believe that we're this fortunate.
We're living a dream.
It was really the stepping stone to what's been a wonderful career.
I've had a great career, and I really do owe it all to SAIT.
Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Congratulations to each and every one of you.
Congratulations!
Congratulations.
Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Congratulations.